This Ercolina B3/1 is another part of the Ercolina bender systems, which we have other videos for other parts. This particular part came to us with a dead power supply and several relays that had high contact resistance. We repaired the power supply and changed the relays, and shipped out the board back for installation in the bender system. At ERD, we are well equipped to handle either entire systems or the individual parts of the system, such as this Ercolina product. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.